What's going on, people of YouTube? How y'all doing today? So yeah, today we're working out in the shop, Locust Farm and Fab shop. We've got to finish a about a month-long project. I've had my wife's Beetle. Actually, y'all have seen it in a couple videos ago where I pulled my wife's car in to get the alternator put on. Well, that didn't go well. Didn't go well at all. In fact, I had to order, sorry, got my hands full. Had to order a special tool to get said alternator off. Well, we got the tool in. Sorry about that again. Got my hands full. We're out in the shop. First time actually working in the shop since we got back from our dive trip. It's actually been a crazy time because in all honesty, I came back and that little dive trip wore my little butt out. Well, I say little butt, I'm rather tall, but yeah, it wore me out. So my wife is really wanting me to get her bug fixed, so that's what we're going to do today. Not sure how much we're going to video. I'm sure we'll shoot some. As you can tell, there it is. Car's been sitting there for quite some time now. Kind of dusty. Somebody even wrote free on it. But we're going to go ahead and get the alternator off. Let me get a light over here. Let's see if these are even charged up. So we got one of the belts off, but there's the alternator. That's what we're working on today. Anyway, guys, appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab shop. We got the air going in here. Hopefully it'll stay cool for the day. I doubt it, but we'll see. And we're gonna go from there. Y'all, hey, feel like subscribing, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. We'll see y'all shortly. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like. 2012 Beetle. This is what you got to do to replace the alternator, which is right up there. Gotta love it. Let's get y'all some better light. Yeah, there it is. Got two of the bolts out. Now I got to get the ground and all that other stuff off of it. So not for the faint of heart. Got to take the air compressor off, got to take all the belts off. Got to take, there's dang on 2 tensioners on this thing. It's a pain in the butt. Plus, you have to have this. That is a 10mm 12-point socket. I ordered one, and of course it's been 3 weeks, so I can't find it. So yeah, but guess what? Harbor Freight had it. Icon kit. You can get the whole kit. It's kind of expensive, but when you need it, you gotta have it. All right, we're gonna get back on it. I'm not really filming it way too much, just for the simple fact, I'm taking my time because I've never done this. This is all new. My wife's car. We always send it to the Volkswagen guy to fix it. Can't afford it right now. So, anyway, you see it. All right, guys. We're gonna see what we gotta do to get the alternator off now. See you shortly. All right, guys. As you can tell, it's hot and blazes out here. I'm not gonna show you everything that I've done, but it's going back together. Got the new alternator on, putting the air conditioner compressor back on. All I gotta do then is belts in this plastic cover here, and hopefully we're done. I'm glad I didn't film it, because y'all be bored out of your minds right now, because this has been on, we're going on, well, what time is it? I took my watch off because I didn't want to mess it up. It's 3:15 right now, and I started on this at 10 o'clock this morning. You see how far I've got. Now I had to take a couple breaks just to cool off. It's 98 degrees outside with a heat index of 102. I got 5 fans going in this shop, and it's 92 degrees in the shop. So not as bad as outside, but if it wasn't for these fans, it would be a interesting situation. But anyway, we're got it going back together. We just want to give y'all a heads up and say, hey, this is what we're doing. I'll show you when we're done. Y'all take care. Well, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of Alternator on the VW Beetle. It's crazy. So, spent all day yesterday. Didn't video a lot of it because literally it took me almost 6-7 hours to get this done. Of course, I've never done it, but how hard is it to change an alternator? So I get it all done, get everything done. The battery's low. Put the battery on a charger for an hour. Come back out here, got 12.5 volts on the battery. Car cranks up, runs, does everything. No voltage. I'm at 12.2 and then 12.1. Yeah, the car's running off the battery. So I put it back in the air, check all my connections, make sure everything is just lovely. Guess what? No charging. So that $100 eBay guaranteed alternator I got, no bueno. So today is Saturday. Had to go down to my local parts store, you know, insert picture below, Heart City, USA, down in lovely Potts Camp, Mississippi, and spent $300 on an alternator. They're proud of that bad boy. But at other places, $400 to $500 for a good alternator. So here we go, day 2, redoing the whole thing. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Of course, at least it's not as hot as it was yesterday. It got up to 95 here in the shop yesterday. Yeah, there's cheese grating. Maybe one day we'll get back on it. But, all right, guys, hang out, hang with us. We're gonna get this thing done. We're gonna raise it back up and go from there. Let's hit the old raise button. Up, and away. At least today, I know what I gotta do to get it all done. So it should go a lot faster. All right, guys, appreciate it. We'll see you later. All right, guys, well, so we got the new alternator on. Actually, it went a lot quicker than it did yesterday, because I knew exactly what I had to do and what all I had to do. Got the new alternator on, just cranked it up, got 13.5 volts, so we're good. See if I can show y'all what we're looking like. Yep, that's the alternator right there. Underneath the power steering pump, belt lined up. It's got 2 belts on it. What I thought was really interesting was the crank turns the air compressor, and then the air compressor turns all the other belts. Something else I learned too, just as a FYI, these 2 fuses, this right here is a fuse for the alternator. If that's blown, no charging. So now all I gotta do is put that back on, put that back on, and put that back on, and we are good to go. And then Leanna's car is done and we'll be out of the shop. So anyway guys, it's lunchtime. We're gonna go eat. Wish I had me some Taco Boy, but we had tacos last night, so we're gonna go make me a sandwich, drink me some sweet tea, and that's what we're gonna be. That's where we'll be. Anyway, appreciate it guys. We'll comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Huh. Wonder what that's from. Interesting. Had to get up there and look at it. Appreciate it guys. We'll catch y'all a little bit. All right, I told you I was at Park City Auto Parts in Potts Camp, Mississippi. There it is right there. The great city of Potts Camp. Park City Auto Parts, formerly Potts Camp Parts. All right guys, we're heading back to the shop. We'll see y'all shortly.